Now, what is Agrobacterium tumefaciens? It is called natural genetic engineer. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is a bacterium which is usually pathogenic on dicot plants. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the bacterium that can cause formation of tumor. It is a tumor producing bacteria in the host plant. But this bacterium is used as vector. This bacterium is applicable in biotechnology and genetic engineering, and it is called the natural genetic engineer. This is the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, widely used as a vector for transferring desirable genes into host plant cell. This is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It is used as a vector for delivering desirable genes, desirable DNA into host plant cell. These bacteria remain in the soil. These are pathogenic or disease-causing bacteria which live in the soil. They usually infect dicot plants like tomato, soybean, sunflower, and cotton, but they do not affect the cereals. They usually affect the dicot plants. Now, these bacteria induce tumor in the host plant cells. Because of infection, tumors are produced in the host plant cell. The tumor produces chemicals which are used by the bacteria. The tumor produces chemicals which are required by the bacteria. Now, why these bacteria induce tumor formation in the host plant? These bacteria have plasmid which is called Ti plasmid. This is the bacterial chromosome or genetic material. This is the plasmid outside the bacterial chromosome. This plasmid is called Ti plasmid because it induces tumor. In the Ti plasmid, there is a specific DNA, there is a specific gene or sequence which is called tDNA. tDNA is a specific sequence in the Ti plasmid. This tDNA is actually delivered. This tDNA is actually introduced into the host plant cells, and it becomes incorporated into the chromosome of the host plant cell. When these bacteria infect the host plant, the Ti plasmid has the ability to naturally introduce this specific sequence called tDNA, which becomes naturally integrated into the chromosome of the host plant cells. The Ti plasmid has the ability to naturally deliver a piece of DNA called tDNA and integrate this tDNA into the genetic material, into the chromosome of the host plant cell. So Ti plasmid of the Agrobacterium has the ability to deliver tDNA into the host plant cells. because of the integration, because of the insertion of tDNA into the host plant cells, tumors are produced. The tumor produces chemicals which are used by agrobacterium. Now, why is it called natural genetic engineer? Why is it used in biotechnology as a vector for plant cells? Agrobacterium is called the natural genetic engineer because it has the ability to naturally introduce a piece of DNA into the host plant cells. That is why it is called natural genetic engineer. Now, the plasmid of the agrobacterium, the Ti plasmid, is isolated from the bacterial cell and it is cut by restriction enzyme to separate the tDNA, or the Ti plasmid is extracted from the bacteria and it is cut by restriction enzyme so that a desirable gene, a foreign DNA which we want to introduce in a plant cell can be inserted into the Ti plasmid. Genetic engineers or biotechnologists isolate Ti plasmid, cut the plasmid by restriction enzyme, and now a foreign DNA or a desirable piece of DNA is inserted into the plasmid. And the plasmid is again introduced into the bacterial cell. Now, during natural infection, the bacteria introduce the tDNA along with the foreign DNA which is introduced, which is inserted into the plasmid. So, during the natural infection, the bacteria introduce the tDNA and the foreign DNA into the host plant. The Ti plasmid can be used as a vector in genetic engineering because if a foreign DNA or desirable DNA is integrated into Ti plasmid, the plasmid can deliver that foreign DNA into the target organism to change the phenotype and genotype of the target cell. So, the plasmid of agrobacterium can be used as a vector. It has the ability to transfer. It has the ability to deliver a segment of DNA, tDNA, into the host organism. So, this ability is manipulated, this ability is utilized by the biotechnologist to deliver desirable genes into suitable host plant cells. This ability of agrobacterium is utilized by the biotechnologist to deliver, to introduce foreign DNA, desirable DNA into a number of host plant cells, to change the phenotype of the plant cells for the benefit of human population. That is why agrobacterium is the best vector which is used for delivering foreign gene or desirable gene into host organism, that is plant, only plant. It is the vector which is used for plant cells. This is about Agrobacterium tumefaciens.